Daily routine. English words. Let's enjoy learning together. Take it easy. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth after meals. Wash face. Wash face. She washes her face with cold water every morning. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. I usually eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Get dressed. Get dressed. He got dressed quickly and left for work. Comb hair. Comb hair. She combs her hair before leaving the house. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. She puts on makeup before going to the office. Make coffee. Make coffee. I make coffee to start my day. Check the news. Check the news. He checks the news online every morning. Check phone. Check phone. I check my phone for messages when I wake up. Write in a journal. Write in a journal. She writes in her journal before going to the office. Stretch in the morning. Stretch in the morning. It's good to stretch in the morning to feel refreshed. Commute. Commute. I commute to work by train every day. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. We go for a walk to work. Start work. Start work. I start work at 9 a.m. sharp. Check emails. Check emails. He checks his emails before starting his tasks. Set goals. Set goals. I like to set goals for the day every morning. Join a meeting. Join a meeting. She joined the meeting from home via Zoom. Clean desk. Clean desk. She cleaned her desk before starting a new project. Take a break. Take a break. Don't forget to take a break after working for a few hours. Eat lunch. Eat lunch. I eat lunch at 12:30 every day. Drink water. Drink water. Remember to drink water to stay hydrated. Avoid phone. Avoid phone. I try to avoid my phone during meetings. Finish work. Finish work. I usually finish work around 6 p.m. Exercise. Exercise. He exercises for 30 minutes every day. Cook. Cook. I love to cook new recipes on weekends. Eat dinner. Eat dinner. We eat dinner together as a family. Clean up. Clean up. Please clean up after cooking to keep the kitchen tidy. Watch TV. Watch TV. I watch TV to relax in the evening. Read a book. Read a book. He reads a book before going to bed. Contact family. Contact family. I contact my family every weekend. Do laundry. Do laundry. I need to do laundry today because I'm out of clean clothes. Tidy up. Tidy up. She tidied up the living room before guests arrived. Stretch at night. Stretch at night. Stretching at night helps me sleep better. Relax. Relax. I like to relax with a cup of tea after work. Listen to music. Listen to music. He listens to music while studying. Take a bath. Take a bath. I usually take a bath before going to bed. Night skincare. Night skincare. She follows a night skincare routine before bed. Dry hair. Dry hair. Don't forget to dry your hair after washing it. Review goals. Review goals. I review my goals for the day before sleeping. Put things back. Put things back. Please put things back where they belong. Prepare. Prepare. I prepare for the next day by packing my bag. Have a snack. Have a snack. I like to have a snack while watching TV. Text a friend. Text a friend. She texted a friend to say good night. Meditate. Meditate. I like to meditate in the evening to finish my day. Write gratitude. Write gratitude. I write gratitude notes every day to stay positive. Put phone away. Put phone away. I put my phone away before going to sleep. Set alarm. Set alarm. Don't forget to set your alarm for tomorrow morning. Set up sleep space. Set up sleep space. He set up his sleep space with fresh sheets and a cozy blanket. Get enough sleep. Get enough sleep. It's important to get enough sleep to feel refreshed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and use it to review and learn anytime. See you in the next video.